In what way has your friendship with Beanie been a safe space for you? Feeling ko, sa tagal na namin magkakasama, we already showed our most vulnerable self na hindi na namin kailangan mag-pretend. Throughout the years, we grew together and parang minahal na namin yung flaws namin and yun yung nag-keep sa amin para maging stronger throughout the years. And I hope magpatuloy pa na ganito na chill lang, without judgment, mature, and may respect sa kanya-kanyang buhay.
Okay, what is something that you would like Beanie to be remembered for? Feeling ko pag gusto ko na maalala yung Beanie sa mga, pag lumaki na yung mga generation yun. Yung Beanie sila yung matatapang na mga babae. True talaga sila. Alam mo yung hindi nawawala yung character nila, kung ano sila dati.
Unapologetic selves as we are right now.
What's your biggest challenge right now and how can your group be there for you? Oh my God.
Ito pa sa kanya pa na po tayo yung
What? Siyempre, di naman madali yung buhay natin ngayon. Aminin natin. Pero, ako, honestly, walang halong biro. Every time na may work kinabukasan, parang na-excite ako palagi. Hindi ako napapagod kapag kayong kasama ko, promise. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, parang magkakasama tayo, parang ang gaan-gaan palagi.
What is something that you've been learning about yourself as you're going through the journey with Beanie? Feeling ko kaya ko palang magsalita, kaya ko mag-voice out. Kasi before, parang, before Beanie, parang,
only child.
oo, parang kung ano lang yung sabihin sa akin, yun lang yung susundin ko. Tanggap lang ako ng tanggap. Kahit labag sa values ko. Pero ngayon, I learned to be decisive. I learned to speak up.
Parang feeling ko kasi sobrang ibang-iba yung kung sino ako sa before Beanie. Maliban sa introvert ako at introvert ngayon. Pero sobrang kaya ko palang maging ganito. Ka-jolly, kadaldal, kaingay, kakulit. May something changed, something shifted here. And feeling ko I found my truest form. This is my truest form.
Ako, same din. Dito ko nalabas yung OA side. Kasi before Beanie, I'm very serious. I don't cry. I became emotional here.
Is that a good or bad
Emotional wreck here.
What is a fond moment or memory that reminds you of why you do what you do with Beanie? Feeling ko yung moment na to, yung talaga nag-remind sa akin kung ba't ako nandito, like sa Beanie, nung nag-shutdown yung AWES. Tapos, akala namin, sa liligwakin kami. Tapos sinabi na we're gonna continue. Kasi nga, di ba, trainee pa lang kami nung wala pa kami naambag. Pero pinaglaban kami ni Direk. So, feeling ko at that moment, mas naging porsigido ako na, okay, dahil ang daming naniwala, we're gonna do our best and we're gonna show them ba't kami worth na magstay.